Oh, jeez. Oh, my God.
Right on 905.
Jeez.
Testing its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station
I was not expecting that at all.
Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Thank you for listening to WAHC. We need to interrupt regular programming to activate the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
And as per usual, I am joined along with...
Antonio, also known as Pittsburgh EAS.
Savage!
I'm Savage Gamer 2413, and I was gonna do something, but I forgot what I was gonna do. That's great.
When it pops up, you'll get to do it.
Yes.
But KDKA decides to test their asses randomly or not. I can't even speak.
Randomly.
But anyway, KDKA decided to test at 9:05 regular time, and we weren't ready for
It went
that.
off the air again. It went off the air again.
KH, what?
Yep.
Of course, they have to be on drugs.
Yeah, look at your Radio Shacks. They'll help you out. 261 991. What else do you have?
Yeah, it says to check up and
Check up.
yeah, but
It never says that when it's off there. Are you talking about your fucking 120 not getting an alert for 10 days?
yes, but anyway,
My PCR is finally showing signal loss for once!
yeah, but anyway, I guess I'll wrap it up right there, and we'll see you next time. Peace.